Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 street food dishes in America. We're about to take a wild ride from coast to coast, diving into the heart of the American food truck scene. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with these mouth-watering delights. First up, we're hitting the streets of New York City, the city that never sleeps, for a true American classic, the hot dog. Now, I'm not talking about some fancy pants, truffle-infused, caviar-topped hot dog. I'm talking about the real deal, the kind you get from a street vendor with steam billowing out of their cart. You got your classic mustard and relish, maybe some sauerkraut for a little tang. And don't even get me started on the onions. Those sweet, caramelized onions, they just take it to a whole other level. It's a symphony of flavors, a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. Next up, we're cruising down to the sunny streets of Los Angeles, where the tacos reign supreme. And let me tell you folks, Louisiana's taco scene is off the chain. We're talking about everything from al pastor to carnitas, barbacoa to lengua. You can find tacos on every corner in LA, each one more mouth-watering than the last.
Whether you're craving a simple street-style taco with cilantro and onions, or you're in the mood for something a little more adventurous like a taco de cabeza, Los Angeles has got you covered. And don't even get me started on the salsas. From fiery habanero to tangy tomatillo, there's a salsa out there for every taste bud. Trust me, folks, you haven't lived until you've experienced the magic of an LA taco.
Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth, folks, because we're about to dive headfirst into the best donuts in Los Angeles. These aren't your average run-of-the-mill donuts. We're talking about donuts with flair, donuts that are practically a work of art in all their glory.
We're talking about a thick, fluffy dough piled high with gooey glaze, vibrant sprinkles, and all your favorite toppings. And let's not forget about those signature Los Angeles flavors, bursting with flavor in every bite.
Listen, I know some folks out there think they need a fork and knife to tackle these donuts, but me? I say dive right in, get your hands sticky, and enjoy every last sweet, delicious bite. Now we're heading to the heart of Ohio, a place known for its rich culture, friendly folks, and some of the best burgers you'll ever taste. Picture this. You're walking through a bustling street fair, the air filled with the mouth-watering aroma of sizzling beef and fresh toppings.
You stumble upon a local burger stand, its grill working overtime to keep up with the demand. You step up, and there they are, stacked high with all the fixings, those juicy patties just waiting to be devoured. You take a bite, and the flavors explode in your mouth. The burger is hot, the meat is tender and juicy, and the toppings? They might get a little messy, but you don't even care. It's a taste of pure joy, a little slice of culinary heaven right here in Ohio.
Our next stop on this epic street food adventure takes us to the vibrant state of Louisiana, home to the lively French Quarter, jazz music, and of course, some of the best fried chicken you'll ever taste. Now, I'm a sucker for a good piece of fried chicken, but there's just something about that Louisiana flavor that takes it to a whole other level.
Maybe it's the perfectly crispy skin, or the way the meat stays so juicy and flavorful. Or maybe it's the fact that each bite is a burst of savory goodness, ensuring that you savor every last morsel. Either way, the fried chicken in Louisiana is a culinary masterpiece, a testament to the power of simple ingredients done right. It's the kind of food that warms your soul and makes you feel right at home.
Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through America's best street food. We've covered some serious ground from New York City to California. We've tasted the classics and explored the unexpected, proving that America is a melting pot of flavor and innovation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty content.